Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding, Lead On. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to dissect and understand together. Lead on. This phrase is widely used in English, and today we're going to explore its meanings and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive right in. The phrase, lead on, literally means to guide or direct someone to follow you. It's like saying, I will show you the way. Please come with me. For instance, if you are at a party and someone asks where the restroom is, you might say, lead on. I'll show you, as you start walking towards the restroom, indicating for them to follow you. Lead on can also be used in a figurative sense. In this context, it means to encourage or entice someone to continue doing something, often with a sense of deception or manipulation involved. For example, if someone is flirting with you just for fun and has no real interest in a relationship, a friend might say, don't let her lead you on. She's not serious about you. 1. Guidance, when someone is showing you the way. 2. I'm not sure where the conference room is. No problem, lead on, I'll take you there. 3. Encouragement with deception, when someone is misleading you, often in relationships or business. 4. He was just leading me on. He never intended to sell me the car at that price. 5. Motivation, encouraging someone to proceed with a task. 6. You're doing great, keep going, lead on. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, lead on. We've seen how it can be used both literally and figuratively, in various contexts. Remember, the key is to understand the situation and the intentions of the person using the phrase. We hope this video helps clear up any confusion and adds a new phrase to your English arsenal. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning.